Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. First of all, I would like to give you a brief summary of the novel The Stranger. Then I'll focus on its analysis. Then we'll consider the message of the novel The Stranger. So at the start of the novel, Marcel receives a telegram telling him of his mother's death. He attends the funeral, but other participants are taken aback by his extraordinary calm and detached demeanor. Marcel goes about his business as usual for the following 2 weeks, as if nothing horrible has happened. He has fun with a new girlfriend, makes friends with a pimp, and takes both of them on a beach vacation. It's almost as if he's weirdly separated from the rest of the world. Marcel and his pals, however, are challenged by 2 Arabs while on holiday at the beach. Marcel kills one of the Arabs as a result of the violence. It was a hot day and Marcel's crime has no explanation other than the temperature. The court seemed more interested in Marcel's lack of grief for his mother's death than the claimed heinous of his conduct during his murder trial. The verdict judges Marcel's character, not his conduct, per se punishable by death, since he is a cold-hearted, non-conforming, and of course detached misanthrope. Marcel struggles to come to grips with his approaching death as he waits for his execution in prison. Marcel denounced Christianity and passionately refused to turn to religion for solace after becoming outraged by an obnoxious preaching chaplain one day. When Marcel declares that the world is meaningless, lawless, and devoid of rational order, and this assertion is completely justified, he joins the absurdist side. Something he becomes enlightened while incarcerated. Others, however, would disagree in any case. Marcel sees his execution as a confirmation of his mantra, life is ridiculous. At the very least, he will be able to escape civilization and all of its trappings. The Stranger, a novel by Albert Camus, is about the concept of absurdism, which holds that while humans seek meaning in their lives, there is no predefined meaning to be found in religion, science, philosophy, or any other field. Instead, persons who want to live fully developed lives must learn to deal with uncertainty for themselves. Marcel, who embodies the individual confronting apathy and meaninglessness in the world, is the focus of this stranger. Marcel appears to go through the majority of the novel's event, including his mother's death, his murder of an Arab man, and his trial, without emotion, without building emotional bonds with other people, and without forming long-term goals or sense of direction. When Marcel and Priest discuss his fate near the end of the novel, Marcel becomes enraged and rejects the priest's suggestion that he will be condemned by God for his crime. The absurdists believe that the people alone are responsible for selecting how to react to a world without purpose, is explained through Marcel's reaction. The novel's dry, clean style matches to Marcel's unemotional, detached view of the world through The Stranger. The Stranger was written by Camus to describe the philosophy of absurdism, which says that life has no inherent meaning and the people must develop their own ways to deal with indifference and meaninglessness.